Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
Morning, Mela. How are you?
I'm good.
What did you do
Okay.
today? What did you do
Uh, Sleep
today? Did you learn in the morning?
now.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine, Mela, because in some other days you study hard as well. So you need time to relax too. What about in the afternoon? What will you do?
I don't know.
You don't know yet. Okay.
No.
So now, Mila, we'll have ordering. Okay, so can you tell me your answer for the first one?
What do you what playing sport do you like?
Is it what playing sports do you like? You have
Um,
two.
what I was what uh, what sport do you like playing?
Very good. There you have it. Mila, what about for two?
I like playing soccer.
Well done. Three.
I don't like playing volleyball.
Very good. And four.
Where do you watch baseball?
Very good. Five.
I play it usually. I
Usually
usually I usually play it on a field.
a field. What about six, Mila?
I sometimes watch golf online.
Very good. What about seven?
What do you need equipment?
Is it what do you need equipment? It's what equipment?
Do you need?
Okay, and the last one?
I need shoes and a ball.
Okay, yes, I need shoes and a ball. Or you can as well say, I need a ball and shoes. Okay, now let us have exercise 8, Bella. In here, it is your turn to ask me these questions.
Um, what sport do you like playing?
Well, I like playing badminton.
Uh, where do you usually play it?
I usually play it in the basketball court, Mela.
Um, what equipment do you need to play it?
I need a shuttlecock and racket.
What sport do you like watching?
I like watching basketball.
Where do you watch it?
Well, I watch it on TV, Mila, or yeah, sometimes on a basketball court.
What other sport do you like watching or playing?
Well, I also like watching volleyball.
Where do you watch or play them?
I usually watch it in a volleyball court. Mela, now let us have exercise 9, and in here it's your turn to answer these questions using the language you have learned. Can you tell me what sports do you like playing?
I like playing badminton.
Where do you usually play it?
Uh, I
Where do you usually play it, Mela?
uh I usually play when you translate this.
What equipment do you need to play it, Mela?
Uh, I need I
You need
I
a
don't I don't know the word to English.
racket. Mela, we've talked about it, right? Racket.
A racket.
Okay, this one, Mela, this is racket and shuttlecock. Okay, so this one, Mela, this is the racket. Okay, this is the racket, and this is the shuttlecock. Okay,
Okay.
now,
Okay.
next one, what sports do you like watching? What sports do you like watching?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, what other sports do you like watching or maybe playing?
Hmm. Nothing. Badminton.
Oh, it's badminton. Two, what about football, Mela?
No.
Oh no. Okay, do you play pickleball?
No. My dad plays.
Oh, okay, but do you know how to play it or no too?
Yeah.
Okay, but you don't like it. I see. Now, Mela will have lesson 59 and we'll talk about your favorite clothes. Can you tell me what are your favorite clothes?
Can I try the name even a minute and you translate it?
Yes, of course, Mela. Jeans.
Yeah.
Jeans and shirt. Jeans and shirt, Mela.
You translate it.
Okay. Shirt.
áo sơ mi,
Is
Uh,
it?
no.
No? Jeans and shirt, Mela. What about on the top, Mela? What do you like wearing on top? Jeans and t-shirt, maybe.
quần jean và áo phông,
I translate it way.
Okay.
Này, ông tắm tóc rồi, còn ức cơ. Ủa, có mà cứt mà cho. Có mà cho. Ờ, ờ, ờ.
A white leg jeans with a long sleeve t-shirt.
Oh, long sleeve t-shirt. Okay, so you are into that style. Okay, I get it now, Mela. Thank you. So now let us proceed to exercise one. In here, Mela, we have of course, words or phrases. So can you read the first one, Mela?
5 years ago,
Next one.
in
2011.
2011,
This one.
3 months ago,
What about this?
in April,
Next one.
2 weeks ago,
What about this?
yesterday,
Last one.
last week.
Okay, last weekend, Mela. Okay, so now let us practice. And in here, I want you to put the items on the list in order from most distant to most recent. Okay, wait, let me translate this one for you, Mela, so you'll be able to answer that one directly.
Sắp xếp các mục trong danh sách theo thứ tự từ xa nhất đến gần nhất.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So now, can you tell me the first one? Most distant. Most distant.
In 2011,
2011. Okay, yes, this is the first one. Next one, Mila.
5 years ago,
Very good. 3.
3 months ago,
Very good. What about for 4?
in April,
Very good. Next one.
2 weeks ago,
Okay, next one, Mila.
last week,
Okay, last
last
weekend,
weekend,
and the most recent is
yesterday,
very good. Okay,
yesterday.
yesterday. Very good, Mela. Now let us have exercise 2. Can you tell me what is she wearing? What is she wearing?
Um, dress,
Okay, yeah, she's wearing a dress. What's he wearing, Mela?
vest,
Okay, he is wearing a suit. Suit. This one,
suit,
Mela, all
okay.
of it, we call it suit. Now, next one, what about him? What's he wearing?
T-shirt,
Okay, he is wearing a shirt. A shirt. Now, what about him, Mela? What's he wearing?
T-shirt,
Okay, yes, he's wearing a t-shirt. What about him? What's he wearing?
I don't know.
Okay, so it's pants. Pants. If it's
Okay.
denim, Mela, that is jeans. Okay, now what about this? What's he wearing?
Jacket,
Okay, yes, he's wearing a jacket. What about her? What is she wearing?
uh, uh, I forgot.
Skirt.
A skirt. Okay.
Okay, yes, it's a skirt. Mela, what about here? What's he wearing?
Jeans.
Okay, yes, it is jeans. Okay, and now let us practice. Mela, tell me what you see in each picture. Okay, can you tell me again what is she wearing?
A skirt.
Okay, yeah, she's wearing a skirt. What about him? What's he wearing?
A shirt.
Very good. What's he wearing?
A jean.
Very good. Jeans, Mela. We don't say jean because jeans is um plural, Mela. So we for plural words we don't add we don't say apples. Okay? We don't say an app we don't say a jeans. Okay? So next one, what is he wearing?
A suit.
Okay, suit. What's he wearing?
Um. A t-shirt.
Very good. What's he wearing?
A pen.
Okay, yes, well done, Mela. That is correct. Now, what about you? Can you tell me what are you wearing now?
Uh. A hoodie.
Okay, thank you so much, Mela. Now, let us have exercise three now. Okay, the first word we have comfortable.
Comfortable.
Do you know this word, Mela? Comfortable.
Is something so soft.
Okay, so yes, when we say comfortable, it means y you are not irritated, you feel calm. Okay, that is comfortable. Now, what about ugly?
Don't know. It's
Oh, you don't know it? It's the opposite of pretty, Mela, which means it doesn't look good. Okay? Ugly. Wait, let me translate it
okay.
for you.
Xấu xí.
Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
what about uncomfortable, Mela?
It's not comfortable.
Okay, yes, it is not comfortable. It is causing you the feeling of uneasiness. Okay, now what about fashionable? Fashionable.
Uh, fashionable. I don't know.
Okay, wait, let me translate it for you first. Okay, so when we say fashionable, Mila, it
Thời
means
trang.
that it is anything, any type of clothing that currently aligns with the popular trends or styles. Okay, just like now, the popular one is trousers, right? Trousers, not jeans. Do you know trousers, Mela?
Yeah.
Okay, do you like wearing trousers? Do you
Mm.
wear trousers or no?
No.
Oh no, you don't. What is popular? What type of clothing is popular in Vietnam now?
Um, it's many.
Oh, a lot. It varies.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because in the Philippines, Mela, the popular one would be wearing trousers and crop top. Do you know crop top?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you wear crop top, Mela, or no?
No, I don't
Oh,
like.
no. No, you don't. You like big shirts, loose shirts.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Mela, I see. And that is not a problem at all, Mela. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the time with your family. I'll see you again on Monday. Goodbye, Mela.
Okay, teacher.